In this video, we are going to take a look at the mobile app area within the CMS. You see that I'm logged into the CMS here. Over here on the left-hand side, I have access to the mobile app. If you don't have access to this, but you have access to the security module, you can go in there and assign yourself permission to this if you don't already have access to it. So you see that this is our mobile app menu. This is what's going to show up in the menu when people go to the mobile app. But you can go in here and customize this. So the first thing that I want to show you is that you can go in here and reorganize these any way that you want to. After you reorganize them, you'll want to make sure that you click on the Save button. You also have the option to go in here and edit any of these. So you can go in here and disable a menu item. If you do that, what it does is it kind of makes it a different color. And then you can go in here and it tells you that it's disabled as well. And then you can go in here and re-enable that menu item if you want to. You also have the option to go in here and delete a menu item. And you can go in here and change the title or subtitle. The subtitle is what's pulling right here, so it's kind of a little description of what's going on. That's the subtitle. But you can go in here and add subtitles, change them, change the titles, and you can also go in here and change any kind of URLs or anything like that. So you have the option to go in here and change anything within the app. The other thing that you have an option of doing is going in here and adding anything you want to the app. So if you want to go in here and add another web link, you have the option to do that. So you click on the plus over here, go over here to the type, and you see that web link is an option. It automatically gives you this little chain icon, but you have the option to go in here and select from this list of icons, or you can decide to upload your own from your desktop. You can go in here and put a title in, subtitle, and put in a URL there, and that can be your web link that you can add, and of course you'll click on Save Changes. You can also go in here and put in content. Now you see that there's an option for content and content page. Content is just something that's going to be within the app itself. It's not going to be pulling from a content page off your district level or your building level. It's just going to be content right there in the app. So again, you have the same options, put in a title, subtitle, you can change that icon, and you can go in here and put your content in. If you select content page, this is where it's actually going to be able to pull from a content page. So we can go in here and I can put a title in, such as attendance, and when you go down here to search, you see that it pulls up all the content pages automatically, but if you start to type in attendance, which is the name of a content page I have set up, it pulls two content pages, one from the district level and one from the high school. You can go in here and select which content page you want that to be. So we can say we want that to be from the district level, and you can click on that, and once it's selected it turns green. You can click on Save Changes, and you see that it adds it down here in our mobile app menu. The other option that you have is to send a push notification to users. So if you go over here and click on Send Push Notification, first off, you see right here that it says 0 beside these schools. This number beside the schools is how many users have the app and have notifications turned on for that school. So we have the district level here, and these are all of our individual schools. So that tells you how many users you can be reaching with a push notification. So that's what that's for. If you want to send a push notification, you can either select all of your schools, you can select one school, or you can select maybe all the middle schools, all the elementary schools, however you want to do it. Then you have the option to go in here and put an expires on, so you can say when you want this message to expire. And then you can put in a short message here. This is just what's going to show up on their lock screen when they get the push notification, or if it drops down, that's what's going to show up. You see that it's limited to 140 characters. So if you're having parent-teacher conferences, you might want to say, parent-teacher conferences are tonight, don't forget, from 6 to 7 or something like that. And then in a detailed message, you can put more details about parent-teacher conferences, maybe why it's important for them to come out, maybe giveaways, I don't know, something like that is what you'll put under your detailed message. So that's sending a push notification. Once you have all that set up, you can go down here and click on the Send Push Notification button. If you have any questions about push notifications or setting up your mobile app menu, or if you want to look at adding the mobile app to your district, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.